I want to work out every day.
Everyone thinks they should work out often. Only few actually do. But working out shouldn't be so limited by your space nor time. Introducing Unitree Pump, a small but mighty fitness device. Or perhaps we shall call it the Pocket Gym. Pump your workout from anywhere. Don't get deceived by its tiny size. Pump's resistant output is precisely controlled at any given extension, and even more. Its resistance is precisely configurable between 4.5 to 45 pounds. Once set, it stays. Pump targets your chest, back, arms, legs, core, and train up to 90% of your muscle groups. Pump is smarter, safer, more effective, yet extremely space-saving solution to replace resistance bands and bulky gym equipment. Training can be more fun. The companion app contains more than 100 high-quality free interactive tutorials. And guess what? It even includes some arcade-style games to make working out exciting. Once a session is finished, reports are automatically generated. And you may also share it with just a tap. Still not satisfied? Pump's accessories would unlock even more options. All of these are made possible by Unitree's sophisticated vector magnetic motor. Everything under the hood are adapted from the advanced robotic joint tech design that Unitree is famous for. With Pump, you may train anytime, in any way, at any place you want. It can even be used as a power bank when your phone battery is flat. Now, with Pump in your palm, it's never been easier for you to stay motivated and to follow your fitness plan. Join us. The change has just begun.